We are working with the trig integral cosine³ x dx, and one important thing to use here is the trig identity that 1 minus sin² x equals cosine² x. And we can use this by first starting off with this problem by changing the way the integral is worded to be cosine² x times cosine x dx, and now we can substitute this in for cosine² x. So what this becomes is the integral of in parentheses 1 minus sin² x times cosine x dx. And now we're set up for a u-sub. So if we let u equal sine x, and the derivative of u in this case is cosine x, then we can rewrite this integral as the integral of in parentheses 1 minus u² du, and then we can integrate. And when we integrate this, we are left with u minus u³ over 3, and then plus a constant because we're dealing with an indefinite integral with no bounds. Now, all that's left is to take our u and plug it into the final result, and so what we get is sine x minus sin³ x over 3 plus c. And this is the result of our integral. If you have any questions, or if you've got any other calculus problems you'd like me to try, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope that you found this helpful.